Here's some of the mini dragsters here at the Performance Expo here in Schaumburg. This one here represents Jack Gibbons Gardens. Looks like a very nice setup. Let's check out the next one here. This is Wild Child. As you see, they're quite nice and very nice, professionally made job. They look very nice. Here's another one, the ISP, Innovative Safety Products mini dragster. And the next one here is, it says All-Star on it. So, and here's some more of them. As you can see, that's the Universal Technical Institute car right there. And then we're going to talk to the other gentleman here in a minute about what this program is about and the engines they build and all the other stuff. So hang tight, and we're going to be there in 2 seconds. Hi everyone, and we're here at the Hot Rodders of Tomorrow's booth. We're going to talk to Ryan, and he's going to explain to us all about the organization and where they're headed in the future. So Ryan, how you doing?
Time today. I'm Ryan Courtney with Hot Rodders Tomorrow. This is the Junior Engine Experience. So what we have here is a Briggs & Stratton engine. It's basically an L206 based engine, just in a commercial design. The L206 is what you'd see on an entry-level junior dragster, such as the cars behind you. Well, what we'll do is go into a car show, much like we are here at the Racing Performance Expo. We have a mentor as well as an engine. And then we have basic hand tools, and we allow the students or participants here at the show to take those tools and tear this engine all the way down. That way they can learn what a piston is, a connecting rod, the crankshaft, so on and so forth. And then we let them put it back together. This shows them basic hand tool usage, but they understand them principles of torque, rotation. We also get into clearances, such as talking about the valve adjustments. So they learn about how four-stroke theory, learn about how compression is made, and then when they stomp on the gas, how the RPMs increase, and essentially how we make horsepower.
Okay, and now what would be the average speed of one of these dragsters?
So it varies depending on the age of the youngster. So they can start as young as 6 years old, and they can go all the way to 18. So it's going to vary anywhere from about 25 to 30 miles an hour, upwards to about 85.
Wow, that's pretty good. And how can they contact you if they're interested in getting involved in this organization?
Yep, if you just go to the Hot Rodders Tomorrow website, they could click on a link and get any information they'd like.
Well, thank you very, very much.
Thank you.
We appreciate it. Oh, and one last question. What is the average price of doing a build of one of these vehicles?
It varies, once again, depending on the age. You can get into an entry-level car, probably in the $2,500, $3,000 range, and then the sky's the limit as far as one of the faster cars.
Okay, so it's a very approachable sport, is what it is.
Sport, and it's very family-friendly, and it's something that the family that plays together stays together type thing. So you have a lot of fun and camaraderie at the racetrack.
Well, thank you very much, and appreciate all your help. And again, thank you.
Thank you.
Here's some of the vehicles that are here on display at the Performance Expo this year. As you see, this is a Mopar Dodge dragster. Funny car. And then as we walk down the line, this is the 82 Camaro from, looks like Robert Morrison Racing. Looks like a very nice car, actually.
Yeah, we were racing that, but
Looks like this is possibly the Castrol GTX car from, I guess, Nationwide or Nationwise Auto Parts. This one here is definitely very nice. A Ronnie Sox car. I believe who was involved with the Sox and Martin racing team.
It had automatic cock.
So there's some other visitors here. Very nice looking car though, very nicely done. Here we go. There's a nice shot of it right there. Okay, let's go on and look at some other vehicles. And as you see, this is the display from the Midwest Nostalgic Pro Stock Association. These are the vehicles we were filming a little bit earlier, and they are the ones responsible for this display. Here we are at Autometer, and we're going to talk to Zach about the latest offerings from Autometer.com. So Zach, what is the latest here from Autometer?
This would be our new Envision Digital Dash. It's just like our classic instrumentation that you're used to, the round gauges, but now we're taking a 6-gauge kit that you can get and put it into a digital format for you. It's got 3 different configurable user selectable displays. And a USB port on the side, so as updates come out and we release new display options, you can just download that onto your thumb drive, plug it in, and then download them. It comes with the oil pressure and water pressure, the water temperature sensor, and then fuel level, voltmeters, and then miles per hour, and then tachometer. It's got two trip odometers and a regular odometer.
So this is what it is, the whole gauge cluster, rather?
Yep.
And it's all electronic, correct?
Correct. Correct. Whole thing's electric.
Now, can you switch it from, like, I see it switching from one setup to another setup?
Yes, there's currently 3 displays that we have available, and that's what this joystick's for, is for toggling through that, and also for setting up the tach and the speedometer. But yeah, you can switch to those 3, and then as we release more, like I said, you can just download those, and then there's a USB port on the side. You just plug it in and download the updates right onto it.
Okay, yeah, it looks really nice, actually. And as far as accuracy, I'm sure it's very accurate. You know,
Yes.
very.
Yeah, it's just as accurate as all of our other gauges or step motor units.
Right. I mean, because this is a very old and trusted name in the business.
Yeah, it's
So-
going to be the same accuracy you would expect from any other Autometer gauge.
Okay.
It uses the same sensors as our short sweep oil pressure sensor, or short sweep oil pressure gauge, and short sweep water temperature gauge.
Good. Really nice. Yeah, I see that it actually changes colors and everything right there.
Yeah, and
So-
you can set warning points so that it changes the color at certain points.
Oh, okay.
That's what you were saying. As it got up, it changed to the red when it got high.
That's really nice.
Yep.
And this is some of the other stuff you guys are offering right here?
Yeah, this is just some more of our products that are already available that we've made our name with.
Okay. Well, it looks really nice, actually. Very nice. And this tack here, it says it's the Ultimate. Why is that?
That's just the name for. So we have 2 of them. We have the Ultimate DL and the Ultimate TAC, the Ultimate 3. It'll do a lot more than just be a TAC. You can see the sensors here, AFR and pressure, and it'll display those there. So you have all the sensors going in here, and then it'll data log it, and you can download it onto a computer. You can toggle through what's displaying there during a run, whether that's your AFR, your pressure.
Okay. Well, again, Zach, thank you very much, and thank you to everyone at Autometer, and appreciate your time.
Appreciate your support, and thanks for stopping by.
Thank you.